Hey, how everyone doing? I am Bridget. I am the CEO of My Girls Beauty, which on my website I offer mink lashes 25mm, 30mm, and 15mm. And right now we have a huge package of lashes, and I will also start doing wholesale, so you can go on there, check my website out, and they will also be offered at so I just got this package today, and let's get into it. Alright, y'all. So I am also on Facebook at My Girls Beauty. I actually just started the Facebook account, and I also have Instagram, my underscore girl underscore beauty. So I did not choose it that way. It automatically did it that way. Otherwise it would have just been My Girls Beauty. Maybe an underscore at the end. But yeah, so I have lashes already, but I want to stay stocked. So right now I have 200 lashes I just got in. So they're listed by the number on my site, so that is 08. That is the lashes. These lashes are beautiful. These ones are 27. All right. Okay. These are number 26. Number 27, those are very full and bold, dramatic. Number 26 is not so full, but still bold and dramatic. All right, then we have 28. So that makes it 1, 2, 3. That's 3. This is 4 different styles, but there's 5 different styles offered for the wholesale. This is 28. I'm sorry, nerves are very bad. So yes, my wholesale orders offer 5 different styles. So right there is 1, 2, 3. That's 4 different styles right there. So let me find the other style so I can show y'all. Here we go. Number 25. This one is 25. 25 is very bold and dramatic, but it has a little bit more curl than 27. So go check out my website. It will be in my link, in my bio, sorry. It is mygirlsbeauty.com. Simple. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.